Hi, welcome to lesson 76, division with 3-digit answers. First off, we need to talk about division. We're practicing more and more on division, and we are up to the big time where we're working with 3-digit numbers. But don't let that freak you out, because we treat it just the same as we did 2-digit numbers. We keep using our numbers in our division box until we've used them all, and then we're done. At least for now. Just wait until next year, where we get into really fun stuff in division. But for now, let's begin. 794 divided by 3. 7 goes into 3 how many times? I know that if I say 2 times 3 is 6. I subtract, I have 1. I bring down my 9. I say 19. 3 can be divided by 19 because I know of my multiplication facts. I know that 3 times 6 is 18. Very close. So I put a 6 up above. I multiply 3 times 6. I have 18. I put it down here. I subtract. I have 1 there. Now, on that 3rd digit, I bring it all the way down here to 14. I look at 14 divided by 3. I know that 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. I do the multiplication, then I do the subtraction, and I get 2. And my remainder here is going to be remainder 2. I've used all of my digits in my division box, and we're good to go. Remember, don't make slime blue and then check. And we could check this, but we're moving on to our next one. Our next piece is, what do we do when we are dividing with a decimal number? Please include this in your notes. The decimal point in the answer is placed directly above the decimal point in the division box. This is what I mean by this. Here's an example. We have $8.40 was spent on 3 items. We want to know how much did we spend for each item. So our first step is we look at $8.40. The first thing I am going to do is I follow my note here and I put my decimal point directly above the decimal point in the division box. So we've got that, and now we'll just do division just like we did this number. So 8 can be divided by 3 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. I subtract, I get 2. I pull down my 4, bring down my 4. 24 can be divided by 3 8 times. Now I multiply, which is 24 minus 0. Okay, am I finished? Please, 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 please don't tell me I'm finished, because have I accounted for all of my digits in my division box? No, I still have this 0. So I bring it down, and then I say 3 can go into 0 how many times? 0 can go into 3 how many times? 0. And we have $2.80 was what we spent on each item. Now I'd like to show you how we check this. We say $2.80. Wait, we're going to multiply this by 3. I say 3 times 0, 3 times 8 is 24. I carry my 2, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And then I count how many decimal points I went in, 1, 2, and I go 1, 2. I treat my multiplication differently than I do in division. We count how many are over to the right, and we move our decimal point accordingly. And there you have it. I look forward to seeing you in the practice set. We are killing it in division. Keep it up. You guys are going to get this and it's going to be awesome. See you at the practice set.